The Poor Farmer Story for Kids. Once upon a time, a rich man used to live in a village. Because of his high status, he was very arrogant. One day, a poor farmer came to the rich man for help. A poor farmer said, Ji, I need your help. Rich man asked, What kind of help? Poor farmer, my fields were destroyed and I am jobless. My family members are so hungry. I have nothing to feed them. Rich man asked, So how can I help you? Poor farmer said, Ji, please lend me some money or give me a job. Rich man thought, if I give him money, he will not be able to return and my money will turn into bad debt. I think I should give him work on my farms. After all, I also need some farmer. After thinking that rich man told him, Okay fine, I will give you work in my field, but I will pay you rupees 200 only. If you agree then come tomorrow. Otherwise you can go from here. The poor farmer agreed. I am okay with that, said he. The next morning he went to the field for work. Now the rich man used to get all his work done by that farmer, but still he used to give him only 200 rupees. Rich man to the farmer to take your 200 rupees. Then poor farmer, thank you, said he. After some time, the work of field has been finished. Then the rich man thought, now I don't need that farmer because he has already completed my field's work. I think now I should tell him to go back. After thinking that he goes straight to the farmer and said, Take your money and don't come from tomorrow. You have finished my field work. Now I don't need you. The farmer requested him, Please, Sethji, don't shut me out of this. I am a poor man. I don't have money. I need this job. Rich man, so what shall I do? My farm work is on over. Now take your money and go from here. After saying this, he terminated the farmer. The next morning, the farmer sat outside of the man's house. When the rich man came outside, then he saw that the farmer sat there. The rich man asked him, What are you doing here? I have terminated you. The poor farmer replied, Please, Sethji, don't throw me out of this job. I really need it. Rich man, hey you, get out of my house. I don't have any work for you. The rich man got angry with him and threw him out. But the next day farmer again did the same thing. After seeing this, the rich man again asked him, Hey you, again what are you doing here? Poor farmer, good morning, Sethji. Only you can give me this job. Please, Sethji, give me some work. Rich man, I already told you though that I don't have any work for you. Get out of here. Poor farmer, earlier you were giving me 200 rupees. If you want, then you can give me only 100 rupees. But please give me the job. Rich man, don't you understand? Go from here and don't come back again. The next day, the farmer again sat outside of the rich man's house, and for some days the same things happening continuously. The rich man became irritated and he thought of an idea to get rid of that farmer. This farmer is irritating me a lot. I should leave this city for a few days. The next day, the rich man leaves the city before the farmer comes. He took his family with him, and after a few days, the rich man came back home with his family. He was happy because he did not find the farmer sitting outside the home. Till a few days, everything was fine. But after some time, the rich man thought, how it can be possible now he doesn't come here? What happens to him? Did he get any job or something else? I have to find out. After thinking this, the rich man goes to find the poor farmer. He asked other farmer about him. Have you seen that farmer who was working in my field? Other farmers, no sir. I have no idea about him. Suddenly another farmer came there and said, yes sir, I know where is he. Rich man, really? If you know, then please tell me. Another farmer, when you were not at your home, that time some thief came into your house. The farmer also sat there by luck. That farmer tried a lot to stop them and they fought with each other. Because of this, the farmer got injured. That's why he is taking rest at home. After hearing this, the rich man realized his mistake. He went to meet him and told him, I am sorry, brother. I did wrong with you. I should not have done that. Take the remaining payment that I haven't given you earlier. The poor farmer thanked the rich man. Moral of the story: we should treat everyone well because we never know when that person who we can treating as a liability becomes a savior.